Orthotic treatment is a team effort, with families being the heart of that team. The OPSB sensor was developed to make that team stronger. The sensor and the app facilitates better communication with healthcare professionals. Families can share information with their care team, ensuring everyone is on the same page and working towards shared goals. You and your child can see their wear patterns in the real time. You'll know exactly how your brace is helping you reach your treatment goals. A brace is only effective if you wear it according to your treatment plan. The OPSB sensor is another tool to help us determine how to make adjustments and find solutions to issues that may prevent you from meeting your prescribed hours. Studies have shown that using a brace sensor can actually help your child get better results from their brace. The OPSB sensor is a tool that can help you take the lead in your treatment. You can use the data to have honest conversations with your care team and make sure that treatment decisions work for your lifestyle. The OPSB sensor app provides a platform for families to discuss progress, address challenges, and celebrate successes.